TMJ or TMD issues? Crunchy, popping sounds in your jaw? Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, chronic pain specialist at Rehab and Revive. Let's get to resolving this issue right away. All right, so the jaw has a lot of intricate components to it. You have basically these two attachments that go right here. And in gist, if you want to get that proper jaw opening, you see that it goes down in an arc-like manner versus just down. If it's just going down, then what's going to happen is these joints right here are going to shear. They're going to go forward. That's why it's just going straight down, but it needs to go back and in when you open. And you can kind of see that, right? So that's a good alignment. It's using these as the pivot joint. And so that's what creates nice, healthy, even flow for jaw tracking. The TMJ, or the temporomandibular joint, is such an interesting joint with a number of components and biomechanical ranges and components that we need to consider. So what has to happen a lot of times in our jaw or jaw movement, what we want is that the jaw actually has to unlock almost like telescope down and go forward, right? So what has to happen is that this needs to go down and forward instead of just down like a drawbridge. It's not the case. So what we want to do is we want to get these muscles timed right. A lot of times you have asymmetries that pull the jaw and make it go like all different ways. And largely this happens because we like to chew on one side or we sleep on our side and then they get tense on one side. So then it's just like a uneven tug of war. So you have to go restore that right away. And you want these muscles and these muscles up here to be working together. How we're going to do that is I'm going to stick my tongue on the roof of my mouth. And you should create a little suctioning, like we kind of use a similar idea for people to stop snoring or anyone that may have sleep airway issues with sleep. So it's the same idea. And then what you want to do is put your fingers at the side of these muscles. Now, what should happen as you unlock the jaw is that these muscles start acting right away. And they should happen together. So I'm going to do a few reps. So tongue on the roof of your mouth. And I can feel that both of these are acting together. Now you can also go to the top here, the temporalis muscles, and once again, same thing. That's how you know my timing is good. This jaw tracking exercise is actually meant to kind of straighten you up, but actually work on the coordination and the timing of these muscles so that it unlocks and then goes forward. And then when you come back up, same muscles go in and up. So now, what you want to do after you've kind of done this awareness part of it a little bit, what you need to do is you're going to resist. And so what I'm going to do is, and I'll turn to the side a little bit, I'm going to actually take these two fingers and kind of put it at my lower chin and do the same idea. And I'm basically bringing it kind of in an arc-like manner down. And then you can also resist opening. So you can stick your thumb at the bottom of the chin and go in that trajectory. So it looks like this in the front. And one thing I want to add is that your tongue is at the roof of your mouth the whole time. If it basically unlatches, then you're done with the range. You don't need to go over, and that's when things get unstable and start popping and looking for those grooves inside your TMJ joint. Let us know your thoughts on our video. Leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.